So you tested a strategy on demo money. You went live. You used your strategy with the real money. You lost. Okay. Here is exactly why. The market didn't break your strategy. You did. The reason why, let me tell you. I'm not here to sell you a strategy. I'm happy to stop you from killing a good one. Okay. So there are list of problems that I'm going to talk about. Okay, before you ruin your working strategy. Okay, first you need to work on mind problems, which includes fear, greed, or quitting early. Okay, so your emotions are not the part of the strategy. Okay, so stop letting them vote. Okay, so first you need to identify the testing problems, bad back testing, or like a too few trades. You need to at least um, test your demo strategy at least for a month. Okay, so a back test without slippage, is also a fantasy. Okay, so when you execute the problems, demo account versus the real market, uh, something happens. Something happens. The first demo account. Demo trading is like practicing swimming on the land. Okay, you can't swim on the land, obviously, right? And when you uh, test that strategy on the real market, things change. Okay, everything change. Market is brutal, real market is brutal, and demo money, they can't detect your trades. Okay, they can't hunt your stop losses. So stop and slippage, you don't even feel it when you are testing it on demo account. So work on your strategy first. Okay, so identify some market problems. Okay, wrong strategy, wrong market. Some strategies work with the gold and some strategies work with the crypto. Some strategies works with the stocks. Some strategies works with indices. Okay, if you merge them, if you like a if you use gold strategy in indices, maybe it won't work. And if you use Bitcoin strategy in gold, it won't work. You know, if you use altcoin strategy, if you design a strategy which works with the altcoins, it won't work with the um, gold or indices. Okay, so these are the different market, different behaviors, different patterns. Okay, so these strategies won't align well with each other. Okay, so even with the best, even the best knife is useless if you are trying to drink soup with it. How can you drink soup with it? So um first, I would like to talk about discipline problems. Okay, so you don't have discipline. All right, like let me show you. I am testing uh, a, account. I'm trusting. Testing a new strategy on my demo account, which is here, as you can see. This is my demo account strategy. I'm testing. Look at the history. Look at the win rates. Okay, so I'm not here to sell you any strategy. Okay, I'm just testing it still. I'm not sure it will win or not, but results look solid. I know there are 5 6 consecutive losses, but there are 15 to 20 wins as well. Okay, I'm trying to fix these flaws. It's been like of 3 days. And I'm going to test it for 27 days more. Okay, but guys, you need to test it, and you need to give it a time. You need to be patient. Discipline, guys. Have some discipline. If you trying new strategy, give it a time. It performs well in certain conditions. Okay, it won't perform good every day. It performs well in like a few days, in a month. Okay, maybe 15 20 days if you are lucky. Okay, so if you keep changing your strategy, you are not testing it, you are escaping it. Okay, so what's the solution? Okay, the solution is trade minimum 50 to 100 times if you are trading manually. Okay, I'm not talking about algo trading bot strategy or something like that. With the bot, you need a 1 month of testing at least. But if you are testing a script from a trading view or something like that, you need to trade like with demo count 50 to 100 times. Okay, and if you want to risk with a small amount, use one, zero to point at 0.25 or 5 half a percent or 1% of your money with the new strategy. Okay, and use a very small amount that you can afford to lose and trade 50 to 100 times. Have a journal. Okay, keep note it down on a journal. Okay, is it working on a sideways market? Is it working on a trending market? Is it working on the reversals? Is it working on falling market, sharp decline, or however it is performing well? Note it down, have a journal. Okay, so you need to follow like a three-step ladders. Okay, first is backtest and paper trade and small live account. Okay, backtest with the like built-in tools like in trading view, and then paper trade with a demo account with the demo money, and then go small like a 50, I won't say 50, maybe $20. Give it a shot with the $20 and test it. And if all three works great, then you can use that strategy with the good, with your portfolio, that you want to use in the market. So a strategy without a journal is just gambling without, gambling with extra steps. I'm going to repeat: strategy without a journal is just gambling with extra steps. Okay, so um you don't have a strategy problems, in my opinion. You have a patience problem. Okay, the edge exists, but only if you give it a room to breathe. Okay, so give it a try to your new strategy. Okay, and let me know what strategies are you currently testing. Drop it in the comment, and maybe I can help you to improve it. Maybe I learn something from you. Maybe I can teach something. We as a trading community, we should help each other. So comment below which strategy are you testing. So if this video saved you one bad trade, smash the like button. You just made your money back. Okay, so have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Most traders don't fail because of their strategy is bad. They fail because they never give it a chance. Okay, remember that.